Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy a domain on Porkbun. First of all, open your browser and go to porkbun.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see a search bar in the center where you can search for your desired domain name. Type in the domain name you want to register. For example, let's try your brand name like lotto.com. Then click search. After hitting search, Porkbun will show you whether the domain is available along with pricing options for different domain extensions like .com, .net or .co. If the domain is available, select one you want to by clicking Add to Cart. You will also notice additional features like domain privacy protection, which is usually included for free on Porkbar. After reviewing the details, click checkout to proceed. To finalize your purchase, you will need to either create a Porkbun account or log in if you already have one. This step ensures you can manage your domain later, enter your email and create a new password and follow the instruction to set up your account. Now it's time to complete the purchase. Porkbun accept various payment methods, include credit card and PayPal. Enter your payment details, review the purchase summary, and click submit order. You will receive a confirmation email once your payment goes through. And that's it. You now own your domain through Porkbun and you can start building your website. Thanks for watching and happy domain hunting.